Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your membership with Skillshare, complete guide step by step clearly. To cancel your membership with Skillshare, start by visiting the Skillshare website. Log into your Skillshare account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile picture to open a drop-down menu. Select Settings from the drop-down options. In the Settings menu, look for the Membership tab on the left side of the screen. Click on the Membership tab to access your subscription details. Scroll down to find the Cancel Membership section. You may see the date your membership will renew, along with other details about your plan. Click on the Cancel Membership button to initiate the cancellation process. You may be prompted to confirm your decision. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the cancellation. Review any final information provided about your remaining access period. After confirming, you should receive a notification that your membership has been successfully cancelled. Keep an eye on your email for a confirmation message from Skillshare. This will ensure you have a record of your cancellation. Now, your Skillshare membership is officially cancelled, and you will not be charged again at the end of your billing cycle. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.